This candy is about to change forever.
Normal Skittles. Freeze-dried Skittles. 3 times the size. 1/10 the weight.
And it gets stranger. Watch what happens when we remove all the moisture.
Welcome inside a commercial freeze-dried candy facility. This is where science meets confectionery.
It starts with regular candy. Hard-shell varieties work best.
The technology? Freeze drying, developed by NASA in the 1960s for space food preservation.
The process drops temperature to -40 degrees Fahrenheit while removing all air pressure. Moisture doesn't melt, it sublimates, going directly from ice to vapor, skipping the liquid phase entirely.
Without moisture, the candy's structure expands like a sponge, creating this ultra-light honeycomb interior. The flavor? It intensifies. Without water diluting the taste, each bite delivers pure, concentrated sweetness. The texture is delicate. Light pressure creates an indent. But handled carefully, they stay intact.
And they last. With zero moisture, freeze-dried candy can stay fresh for months without refrigeration.
By 2025, freeze-dried candy became a viral sensation. Millions of views, millions of curious customers.
The process begins with bulk commercial candy. Each batch is sourced specifically for freeze-drying properties.
Quality control starts here. Only intact candies make it to production. Any chips, cracks, or color inconsistencies are removed.
Some facilities sort by color for specialized batches. Consistent color batches make for better presentation.
Perforated trays are essential. The holes allow air circulation during the freeze cycle, ensuring even processing.
Spacing matters. Each candy needs room to expand without touching neighbors during the process. A single tray can hold over 100 pieces. Loading is systematic, spacing consistent. Multiple trays are prepared simultaneously. Batch efficiency is key to commercial operation. Each tray is weighed before processing. Consistent batch weights ensure predictable results and uniform timing. Every tray is labeled with batch number, date, and weight. Full traceability throughout the process.
Trays are staged on rolling carts for efficient transfer to the freeze dryers. Organization prevents cross-contamination.
Once prepped, trays move to the freeze dryer bay. Timing begins here. Commercial freeze dryers. Each unit can process up to 20 trays simultaneously, running 24-hour cycles. Before loading, operators verify machine status. Temperature, vacuum system, cycle duration, everything confirmed. The door weighs over 40 pounds. Insulated construction maintains temperature stability during operation. 4 rack levels. Each level holds 5 trays. Efficient use of chamber volume maximizes batch size. Loading ease. Preloaded trays await processing. Each tray contains exactly 100 pieces, pre-counted and arranged. Each freeze dryer can process 4 trays simultaneously. These machines run 24-hour cycles. Operators verify chamber status before opening. Temperature stable, pressure equalized, ready for loading. The chamber is empty and ready. 4 rack levels, each designed to hold 1 tray with precise rail alignment. Preloaded trays are transported on rolling carts. Organization prevents contamination and speeds the loading process. Each tray slides on precision rails. The system ensures level positioning for even freeze drying across all products. 4 trays, 400 pieces, loaded in minutes. Speed and precision working together. Sealed and ready. The door's airtight seal is critical. Even a small gap would compromise the vacuum. One touch initiates the 18-hour cycle. Pre-programmed parameters ensure consistent results every time. Temperature drops rapidly to -40 Fahrenheit. Inside, water molecules in the candy begin freezing solid. External frost confirms the extreme cold. The chamber has become a controlled Arctic environment. Phase 2, vacuum engagement. Air pressure drops to near zero, creating a space-like environment inside the chamber. Pressure drops from standard atmosphere to near-perfect vacuum. This is the sublimation zone, where the transformation happens. Inside the chamber, sublimation begins. Ice turns directly to vapor, bypassing the liquid phase entirely. The process runs in 3 phases: pre-freeze, primary drying, secondary drying, each stage critical to final quality. 18 hours of patience. The process cannot be rushed. Quality depends on slow, controlled moisture removal. Operations run 24 hours. Overnight crews monitor equipment, ensuring every cycle completes successfully. Morning arrives. Cycle complete. The moment of truth is here.
Before opening, pressure must equalize gradually. Sudden pressure change could damage the delicate product inside. Temperature rises to safe handling levels. Opening too early risks thermal shock that could damage the transformation.
Green light. Chamber temperature safe. 18 hours complete. Time to see the results.
There they are, transformed.
Perfect. Every piece transformed. Size doubled. Weight reduced. Structure completely changed.
Inspectors check for cracks, incomplete expansion, or structural defects. Acceptance rate typically exceeds 97%.